What's going on, guys? Welcome to the 100 book challenge. This is inspired by my mentor. This is actually created by my mentor, Caleb Roth, who taught me everything I know about selling books. I met him a few years ago, and I saw that he quit his job as a medical professional in the medical field, making six figures plus to sell books on Amazon. And that's when I knew that this was a good opportunity. And one of his key things, what he's known for, is measuring numbers. So it's not the sexiest thing. I know spreadsheets freak a lot of people out. So if you're freaked out about spreadsheets, if you're freaked out about numbers, all that, don't worry. I'm gonna make this super easy for you. You don't need to have a lot of technical experience. We're gonna go over very simple techniques you can use to get an accurate assessment of how much this business model could really make you. And we call this the 100 book challenge because we want you to source 100 books a week. But even if you only source 50 books a week, or even half of that, or even just a few books a week, as long as you're consistent, this is going to show you how compound interest, just like in life, just like in investing, just like in everything, if you consistently put effort into something, you will see a reward. So let's say you source just 50 books a week. And we're going to dive into this. I'm not going to show you guys my screen yet, but in the following videos, I'm going to break down exactly how to use a spreadsheet. But even if you only find 50 books a week, guess how much that could make you in your first year? Profit. I'm not talking sales, I'm talking profit. $11,411 profit. Now that's just 50 books every single week. If you source 100 books a week, it's gonna be double that. Now, this is an interesting thing. The first year you would make 11,000 profit, but guess how much you would make the second year with the same exact effort? Because remember, when you build your Amazon business, your inventory is increasing. As your inventory increases, you're going to sell more inventory, obviously. So the name of the game is to build this snowball. Build your inventory as big as possible, and then every day you'll see more sales, more and more sales. The second year, you would sell $32,000 total. So $11,000 the first year, and then an additional $20,000 the second year. So you'd sell $20,000 the second year, for a total of $32,000 extra for just finding 50 books a week. Do you think you could do that? Absolutely. Anybody can find 50 books a week. So even if you're not planning on, I'm going to show you guys my numbers in a second. Even if you guys don't want to build a multi-six-figure business, I do over 7 figures in sales each year, you guys don't have to. All you gotta do is find a few books. So I'll catch you in the next videos, and we're gonna go over exactly how to use this tool. It's super, super cool. And even if you have 0 units in inventory, even if you're just getting started, this is a great place to start goal setting. So I'll see you guys in the next videos.